Healing after heartbreak. Stages of a breakup. Shock, you feel confused or panicked, or both. Maybe your body tenses, your hands feel clammy, or your stomach does somersaults. Denial, refusing to accept a breakup or fantasizing about reconciliation. Anger, feeling anger post-breakup can result from breakup dynamics, lack of warning signs, hurtful words, or self-blame. Grief. In the grief stage, there is a profound sense of loss, including the loss of the person and the role they played in daily life. Acceptance. Transitioning through emotional stages to acceptance post-breakup signifies readiness for new love despite lingering feelings for the ex.